Good morning, this is Onyabike Adventures. My name's Hawk and today we are in Hue and we're going to pick up a couple of pillion tour riders and head up to Hue City. Now there's a lot of people come to Vietnam that don't have a motorbike license, but there's no reason for them to miss out on an awesome adventure. So we offer pillion tours where our staff will pick them up and take them out on an amazing ride. Today we've got two young Australians who want to head up to Hue. So we're going to go over to Hue Pass and up the coast and see all sorts of amazing things. Can't wait to get started. Let's go and meet them. I think it's going to be a whole lot of fun. Down by the river, we're going to follow the river. This is the Han River that flows out to sea at Da Nang, so we will follow this into Da Nang, and our first stop of the day will be at the famous Dragon Bridge. So the first stop on today's tour is the amazing Dragon Bridge. This bridge was built in 2012 to celebrate the Year of the Dragon. The bridge actually breathes fire, which is the only bridge in the world that does that, but it only does it in the evenings on a weekend at 9 p.m. One of the most amazing architectural constructions in Vietnam, certainly one of the most famous bridges in the world. So we bring all of our customers here to get a photo at the Dragon Bridge. So one of the main highlights of today's ride is the Hue Pass. We're just at the bottom of the Hue Pass here. And guys, how's the ride going so far?
Yeah, great, loving it.
And what about the Hue Pass? Are you excited to be here?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, looks amazing.
Okay, so we're going to go right over this great mountain. We'll stop a few times, have a look around. If you want to know more about the Hue Pass, I've already made a video. You can check that out on our YouTube channel. But right now, let's go ride. So here we are at the top of the Hue Pass. Obviously we stop here to go and have a look around, and customers are heading up into the monuments and taking some photos and getting some selfies. And we'll also stop here for a coffee and some snacks. Great weather today. Can't wait to start heading downhill on the other side and keep going up the coast. Fun to go through the small little laneways and the small villages, see how the typical Vietnamese lifestyle looks away from the tourist areas and the main roads. Our tour guides know all of the most interesting routes, and wherever possible we choose the off the beaten track routes for our tours. This is the Lanco Lagoon that we're going around the edge of. Little dirt track. I think they are going to make this into a proper road at some point. But what a beautiful bit of water. Lanco Lagoon is on the north end of the Hue Pass. A lot of aquaculture, oyster farming, shrimp farming, fish farming. So it's lunchtime, and where better to stop than this beautiful empty beach. Now it's winter, so we're not going to be jumping in the water, but we are going to go and enjoy some really fresh, tasty seafood. Can't wait. What do you got there, mate? Lunch.
Yum.
So we take the more scenic route along the coast around the back of the Tamzang Lagoon. As you can see, it's an absolutely beautiful view here. All sorts of fishing and aquaculture going on that we get to drive past and have a look at. Yeah, beautiful route around the back of this lagoon. A lot of fun.
Spectacular. It's like amazing. Breathtaking. Love it.
Welcome to the City of Ghosts, Vietnam's most luxurious cemetery. In the City of Ghosts, on the coast just south of Hue, we find these incredible, gigantic tombs and family graves, decorated ornately. So much money spent on the dead here. That's why the Vietnamese name it the City of Ghosts. And this goes on for 2 or 3 kilometers as we drive through. An absolutely outstanding place. If you, if you head to Hue and you don't stop and see the City of Ghosts, you'd be making a grave mistake. The famous Trung Dien Bridge. Here we are at the Citadel of Hue. So what a ride! That was great. And we've come here to Hue. Now we would normally finish at the hotel, drop the customers off, but these guys don't have any free time in Hue tomorrow. They're leaving again. So rather than miss out, we've brought them directly to the Citadel here in Hue. One of the must-see attractions of Vietnam, the Citadel of Hue, is a really awesome experience. So that's the end of the tour, and we're going to say goodbye to them, and they're going to go and explore the Hue Citadel. So thanks a lot, guys. That's our pillion tour from Hoi An to Hue via the Hue Pass. Absolutely awesome day. Customers are happy, the weather's been great. About as much fun as you can have traveling around the country. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please hit the like button. Onyabike Adventures have tours throughout the country, north, centre and south. We run tours for people that ride motorbikes of all different skill levels, and we also have pillion tours for those people that have not got a motorbike licence. If you want to know more about Vietnam, if you love motorbikes, or you just want to see more of me, please hit the subscribe button. So thanks for watching. Time for me to shut up and get on your bike.